Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 28. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 5, 8 here, so 4, 5. That means that our 8 has to be here. For this column now we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so that's our 4. That makes this our 5, 4. For this row we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. So we've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help, so 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4, but we've got a 1 here, so 4, 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6 and 5. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.